While everyone's fighting over Jeep Grand Cherokees and paying $45,000 for SUVs that Consumer Reports can't even recommend due to reliability problems, there are vehicles sitting on dealer lots that offer better features, more space, and warranties that actually protect you for thousands less. I'm talking about SUVs that reliability data proves will outlast the overpriced popular options that come with 10-year warranties instead of 3, but somehow fly completely under the radar because people are too busy chasing badges. Today we're counting down 5 underrated affordable SUVs from the 2023 to 2025 model years that deliver incredible value. These aren't the usual suspects. These are the smart money picks that savvy buyers are landing on while everyone else overpays for unreliable status symbols. Let's jump in. Coming in at number 5. The 2024 to 2025 Kia Sportage. Now, I know what you're thinking. Kia? Really? But here's what most people don't realize. The current generation Sportage starts around $32,000 and absolutely crushes vehicles that cost 10 grand more. According to Consumer Reports, the Sportage earned a predicted reliability rating of 4 out of 5. That puts it ahead of the Honda CR-V and neck with the Toyota RAV4. But here's the kicker. The Sportage comes standard with a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Toyota gives you 5 years, 60,000 miles. Honda? 3 years, 36,000 miles. Let that sink in for a moment. The base engine is a turbocharged 2.5-liter 4-cylinder pushing 187 horsepower. That's more power than the base CR-V. You get an 8-inch touchscreen standard, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a full suite of active safety features that other brands charge extra for. But here's where it gets interesting. Market data from Car Edge shows the Sportage has an average days to turn of just 48 days. That's faster than many so-called hot SUVs. Buyers who do their homework are discovering what the automotive press has been saying for 2 years. This is one of the best compact SUVs you can buy, period. Real owners on Edmunds consistently praise the interior quality, the smooth ride, and the generous standard features. One owner wrote, quote, "I cross-shopped this against the RAV4 and Tucson. The Sportage had better tech, better warranty, and cost me $4,000 less. No regrets." The only reason it's underrated? Brand perception. People still think of Kia as budget cars from 15 years ago. Meanwhile, smart buyers are getting premium features at mainstream prices. At number 4, we've got the 2023 to 2025 Mazda CX-50. This one surprises people because Mazda doesn't advertise like Toyota or Honda. But according to J.D. Power, Mazda ranks number 2 in initial quality across all brands. Number 2. That's ahead of Lexus, ahead of BMW, ahead of basically everyone except Genesis. The CX-50 starts around $29,000 and delivers an interior that feels like it belongs in a $40,000 vehicle. We're talking soft-touch materials everywhere, available Nappa leather, a Bose premium audio system, and build quality that puts the competition to shame. Here's what really kills the resale on popular SUVs: reliability problems. The CX-50 uses Mazda's naturally aspirated 2.5-liter Skyactiv engine. This power plant has been refined over multiple generations and has proven bulletproof. Consumer Reports gives the CX-50 a predicted reliability score of 4 out of 5, and owners consistently report trouble-free ownership. But wait, it gets better. If you need more power, the turbocharged version pumps out 256 horsepower and 320 pound-feet of torque. That'll move this SUV from 0 to 60 in just 6.4 seconds. That's quicker than a RAV4, quicker than a CR-V, and it does it while returning 24 miles per gallon combined. The CX-50 also offers something most competitors don't: a focus on driving dynamics. This isn't a boring appliance. The steering is sharp, the handling is confident, and the ride quality strikes a perfect balance between comfort and engagement. Market data shows these are moving in about 53 days on average. Not lightning fast, but steady. And here's your opportunity. Dealers are more willing to negotiate on Mazdas than they are on Toyotas or Hondas, where people walk in ready to pay sticker price. One mechanic I follow on YouTube put it perfectly: Mazda makes some of the most reliable, best-engineered vehicles on the market, but they don't have the marketing budget to tell everyone about it. Smart buyers know. And now you do too. Hey, before we check out the top 3 on this list, quick favor. If you're getting any value from this breakdown, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps the algorithm push this video to other people looking for smart SUV picks. And trust me, the top 3 offer even better value. Coming in at number 3, the 2024 to 2025 Mitsubishi Outlander. Now I can hear the skeptics already. Mitsubishi? But hear me out, because the numbers don't lie. The Outlander starts at just $28,000 and offers 3 rows of seating. Let me repeat that, 3 rows for $28,000. The comparable Honda Pilot starts at $39,000. The Toyota Highlander? $41,000. You're saving over $10,000 for similar capability. According to CarEdge data, the Outlander has a market day supply of 112 days. That sounds bad until you realize it's because dealers aren't marking them up like they do with Toyotas and Hondas. Translation, you have leverage. You can negotiate. One buyer on Reddit reported getting $6,500 off MSRP when Toyota dealers wouldn't budge a penny. But here's what nobody talks about. Mitsubishi backs this SUV with a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. That's one of the best warranties in the entire automotive industry. They're basically telling you, we built this to last, and we'll prove it. The current Outlander shares its platform and powertrain with the Nissan Rogue. Same 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, same CVT transmission. Consumer Reports gives the mechanicals a 3 out of 5 reliability rating. Not amazing, but not the disaster some people assume. What you get for your money is impressive. Standard features include a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, a 9-inch touchscreen, wireless smartphone integration, and a full suite of safety tech. The PHEV plug-in hybrid version offers 38 miles of pure electric range and qualifies for federal tax credits up to $7,500. Real-world owners consistently praise the value proposition. One owner with 45,000 miles reported 0 issues and said, quote, "I was shopping for a used Highlander and realized I could buy a brand new Outlander with a warranty for the same money. Best decision I made." Here's the brutal truth. Mitsubishi has struggled with brand perception in the US market for years. But the Outlander represents their comeback vehicle, and the quality reflects that investment. You're getting a spacious, well-equipped, family-friendly SUV at a price that makes the popular alternatives look overpriced. The only reason this is underrated? People don't shop Mitsubishi. But if you care about value over badge prestige, this deserves serious consideration. At number 2, the 2023 to 2025 Subaru Crosstrek. The Crosstrek starts at $25,000 and offers something no competitor matches: standard all-wheel drive on every single trim level. Honda charges extra. Toyota charges extra. Mazda charges extra. Subaru includes it as standard equipment. Consumer Reports gives the Crosstrek a predicted reliability rating of 4 out of 5 and recommends it as a top pick in the subcompact SUV category. The organization analyzed over 380,000 owner surveys, and the Crosstrek consistently ranks among the most reliable vehicles they track. Here's what really sets this apart: resale value. According to Kelley Blue Book, the Crosstrek retains 63% of its value after 3 years. That beats the Nissan Rogue, the Chevy Trailblazer, and even comes close to the Honda HR-V. Your $30,000 investment holds its worth better than almost any competitor in this price range. The standard engine is a 2.0-liter boxer 4-cylinder making 152 horsepower. Not a lot, but it's paired with a CVT transmission that returns up to 33 miles per gallon on the highway. If you need more power, the Sport and Limited trims offer a 2.5-liter engine with 182 horsepower. But here's what makes the Crosstrek special: capability. With 8.7 inches of ground clearance and Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive system, this thing goes places that would stop a CR-V or a RAV4. X-Mode terrain management, hill descent control, and respectable approach and departure angles make this a legitimate adventure vehicle. Market data shows the Crosstrek moves in an average of 39 days. That's strong demand, but here's your opportunity: The 2023 models are still available at many dealers, and you can negotiate significant discounts as they clear inventory for newer stock. Real owners love this SUV. One forum post I read said, 200,000 miles, original engine and transmission, never left me stranded once. I bought another Crosstrek because this one just won't die. The reason it's underrated is simple: it doesn't look exciting. It's not trying to be luxurious or sporty. It's honest, practical transportation that happens to be incredibly reliable and capable. And for buyers who value substance over style, that's exactly what they want. And here it is, topping our list at number 1, the 2024 to 2025 Hyundai Tucson. The Tucson starts at $29,000 and delivers features, technology, and warranty coverage that makes premium SUVs look overpriced. According to Consumer Reports, the Tucson earned a predicted reliability rating of 4 out of 5. That matches the RAV4 and beats the CR-V. But here's where it gets interesting. Hyundai includes a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. They also throw in 5 years of complimentary scheduled maintenance. Honda offers nothing. Toyota offers nothing. You're saving thousands in scheduled maintenance costs alone. The base engine is a 2.5-liter four-cylinder pushing 187 horsepower. That's competitive. But if you step up to the turbocharged 1.6-liter, you get 232 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque. That'll move this SUV with authority while still returning 26 miles per gallon combined. Car Edge data shows the Tucson has an average market day supply of 62 days. That's healthy movement, but dealers are motivated to sell because Hyundai isn't commanding the same premiums as Toyota or Honda. Translation: you can negotiate, you can get a fair deal, and you won't deal with market adjustments or dealer markups. The interior is where the Tucson absolutely crushes the competition. Standard features include a 10.2-inch digital instrument cluster, a 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system, wireless smartphone integration, and a suite of active safety features that other brands reserve for higher trims. The limited trim adds ventilated front seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a Bose premium audio system. Now here's what nobody's talking about. Hyundai offers a hybrid version that delivers 37 miles per gallon combined. That's better than the RAV4 hybrid, and it costs less. The plug-in hybrid delivers 32 miles of electric range and qualifies for federal tax credits. Real-world owners consistently rate this as one of the best values in the segment. One owner wrote, "I test drove the CR-V, the RAV4, and the Tucson back-to-back. The Tucson had better tech, better warranty, quieter cabin, and cost me $3,000 less. It wasn't even close." Let that sink in. The only reason the Tucson is underrated is brand bias. People walk into dealerships convinced they need a Toyota or a Honda. But when you actually compare features, reliability data, warranty coverage, and price, the Tucson wins on almost every measurable point. Here's the smart play. Take the money you save buying a Tucson instead of a RAV4, we're talking $4,000 to $6,000, and invest it. Or put it toward a higher trim level with more features. Or just keep it in your pocket. Either way, you're getting a reliable, well-built, feature-packed SUV backed by one of the best warranties in the industry. And you're not overpaying for a badge. So there you have it, 5 underrated affordable SUVs that deliver incredible value. The Kia Sportage with its turbocharged power and 10-year warranty. The Mazda CX-50 with interior quality that punches way above its weight class. The Mitsubishi Outlander giving you 3 rows for $28,000. The Subaru Crosstrek with standard all-wheel drive and legendary reliability. And topping the list, the Hyundai Tucson with features and technology that make $40,000 SUVs look overpriced. Every single one of these offers better value, better warranties, or better features than the vehicles everyone else is overpaying for. While other people are dropping $45,000 on Jeep Grand Cherokees that Consumer Reports won't even recommend, smart buyers are getting more SUV for less money with actual warranty protection. The question is, are you willing to look past the badge and focus on what actually matters? Can you walk past the shiny Jeep and buy the Hyundai that'll actually last? That's the difference between smart buyers and everyone else. Which one shocked you most? Are you shopping for an SUV right now? Have you owned one of these and can confirm they're as good as the data says? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I read every single one. And if this video saved you from overpaying for an unreliable status symbol, go ahead and smash that like button. It helps the algorithm show this to other people who need to see it before they make a $40,000 mistake. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you catch our next breakdown. We've got some absolutely brutal depreciation data coming next week that every car buyer needs to see. You won't believe what's happening to certain luxury SUVs. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.